Hello! Got no headphones on today. We're going to be bare, raw, naked, all of the above. Not today's topic. Anyways, we're going to see if this new strategy of mine will work in any price action because, as you may know, June's price action has been pretty bad recently. So here we go. I already have highs, lows, high time frame stuff figured out. Our strategy is S&T divergence with another confluence, including, of course, a liquidity sweep and a high time frame confluence, like a fair value gap or something. Sweet. Here we go. Let's go to the 5-minute. Technically, we want to sweep these lows. We already swept the highs up here. We could sweep these highs, or we could just break through them. We swept them. Let's look at ES. Did not mark everything out. I sold, didn't I? Alright. Asian session highs. London session lows. Previous day lows. Cool beans. Alright. Let's wait for a swing point. Let's wait for a swing point. Alright, cool. We got a swing point. That's a huge S&T. Now we want to go down to the 3-minute, and we have a fair value gap right here, and we have a liquidity sweep. Okay. This is rough. We don't have a fair value gap here. Let's mark out this one on the 1-minute. Let's see. We have the 846 in Q. 846. Cool beans. All right. Want that to get tapped into. Cool. Let's look at ES, see if we're inside of it. We just completely inversed it. Alright. NQ. ES. Swept these highs on ES. Failed on NQ. Let's wait for a swing point. If it goes down. Alright, we have a swing point here. Let's wait for a fair value gap to the downside. And a retracement right here. Cool. Let's mark it out. And let's look for a cool, no bullish S&T. So I will be taking this on NASDAQ. Here we go. I'm going to set a limit order actually to the halfway point of this. Let's look at equilibrium. Let's try this. Limit order at equilibrium. Stops above this high. And take profit at previous day lows. And we'll also be chasing these. I love that. I just love when it doesn't click. Am I nervous? Yes, it's a warm-up. Here we go. S&T did not work. Okay. Cool. On ES, I assume we swept that high. We did. That's a bearish S&T. Let's go back to NASDAQ. Should have a fair value gap retracement here. No bullish S&T. Breaker structure to the downside. We swept liquidity on both pairs. And no bearish S&T. We can't even break structure below this low right here. It's an issue. We're really consolidating. I'm going to take my profits here. We're going to count that as a break-even trade. Day one, we'll say break-even. BE. I'll take that. It's just consolidating, bro. And it ends up stopping us out anyways. When it consolidates like that, you really don't know which way it'll go. Let's go to the next day. Cool beans. Alright, we have the 1 hour. We are bullish. Sorta. Definitely bullish. 30-minute bullish. Cool. We got a fair value gap down here. We have Asian session lows, previous Asian session. London session, I said lows, I meant highs, obviously. Asian session highs, London session lows, and yeah, bang, swept this liquidity. Let's look at ES. Let's mark everything out here too. Swap liquidity on both pairs. Asian session highs, London session lows. Fair value gap. Same fair value gap as the other one. Love it when it doesn't click. Here we go. Cool. 5 minute. What? Oh, I'm on S&P right now. Okay. Let's go to NQ. Bang. Okay. Cool. Swing point, ES. That's weird. Still swept the highs with a different candle. This one. I can assume we'll keep going up. Yeah. Do we have a bearish S&T down here? 839. 839. Yeah, we did. We had a bullish S&T down here. Caused price to go up. Price comes back down for a retracement. Targeting these lows. Let's look at ES. Fails to sweep on NQ. Definitely sweeps on ES. Let's go to NASDAQ. We are looking to inverse this gap and look for a retracement into it. We inversed it, retrace into it, and then we can long here. Stops below this low. And actually below the fair value gap. That's what we want to do. And we will target this fair value gap. Right? Right. We will target this fair value gap. That's more like it. 1 to 2 RR. Let's see what price gives us. Do we have a bearish S&T here? We do. I'm scared. Very, very scared. Bang, stopped out. We had a bearish S&T. Makes sense. Shouldn't have traded it. That's a no-go. Price then proceeds to move forward after I assume a bullish S&T all the way to take profit into the fair value gap. Right trade, wrong time. Oh, well. That's so lame, bro. How many days are we doing? Let's just do 7. Oh, and we're also going through all, like, this strategy for the entire June 1st to June 25th. That's what we're doing. All right, bro. Cool. Let's get into it. We have a low right here. We have a low right here. Previous day highs swept. Already swept London session highs, and yeah, London session lows were also swept, but we'll be, I guess this is also London session, very late London session. Let's go to ES. Cool. I see. Bearish SMT. Let's go to the 5-minute. Market opens. Takes out both. And we have a swing points. Let's look at where ES is at. Cool. That's too close. All right, we in versus cap. Swing points. Swept this low on NQ. No swing point. Okay, swept this low on NQ. We have a swing point and a crazy move to the upside. ES failed to sweep this low. We have an inverse fair value gap right here. Price retraces into it. What are we looking like today? Are we bullish for the day? It's pretty choppy. We are pretty bullish though, I'd say. We swept London session lows. Let's set a limit order right here. Stops below this fair value gap. And opposing liquidity right there. 1 to 3 RR, that's the goal. We could make an SMT right here and right here. On ES, let's label it out as well. Long, below the fair value gap. Opposing liquidity, R is way worse. 3-minute. Low resistance liquidity all throughout here. In Q. Alright, cool. Let's get into it. I set a limit order, so I'm actually not in right now. Holy edge. I was gonna say I should have entered on ES, but even then. Are we in on NQ? Yeah, freaking right, buddy. That's going up too. Or not, I lied. At some point in the day, it hits our take profit. That is wild. Absurd. Did not take that. Day 3 was a no-go. That is so dang lame, bro. Didn't get me in. Are you kidding me? Oh my... Jeez Louise. Alright, cool. Let's go to NQ. 30-minute. All right. Whoa. Whoa. Hello there. London session highs, London session lows, all in one candle. Both of them are getting hit. So we're looking for whichever gets hit first. We are waiting for a reversal. That's what I'm going for. I'm going to be honest. Cool. And previous Asia session lows. Right? I think I'm tripping. Does Asia session open at 1800 or 1700 or 1300? I really don't know. Hold up. I just washed my hair, so I got like hair falling out. All right, let's go. Bang. We're chasing the low. Bang. All right, cool. Let's wait for a swing point on the 3 minute. All right. Cool. ES. No. ES. Oh, shoot. I should probably mark them out. Cool. 1, 2. Cool. Holy consolidation. Manipulation move to the downside. In Q. What are we looking like? Let's go to the 5 minute. Whoa, whoa, whoa. That is wild. We need to make another bullish SMT since we made a massive bullish SMT already. Alright, cool. That must be a bullish SMT. ES, I don't know what the heck this is. Lower low. Higher low. Lower low. Lower low. 3 minute, wait for a retracement to this fair value gap. Alright. Make sure we don't make a bearish SMT. Swept that. Swept that. Cool. Shall I wait for another bullish SMT? I shall. Swing. Oh my. Yep. Yep. I'm longing this. Bang. 1 to 1. Three minute. Cool. We won. Let's go. We got in a bit late, but we still won. What the heck, dude? Cool. Could have been a lot better. Bang, keeps going up. And goes down. See, notice how if it makes a hot if it makes the lowest low and the highest high in one candle, bro, you better believe that that price is chasing both of those. Holy trigger finger, bro. Oh my gooseness, dude. Alright, London session lows. I assume that's an SMT. Yes, yup. Yup. 2 business, 1 Bentley Cooper, 2 Beamers. We have a bullish SMT here. I'll mark this out on NASDAQ. We can use that as take profit once we see a bearish SMT. Let's go to NQ. Yeah, this high is way up here. That's a crazy bearish SMT. I want to get closer. Yes. That's just a crazy SMT, bro. I don't know if I can believe that. Yes. All right, it's 9:55. Do we have a bearish S&T ish? Let's go to 3-minute. Yes. 9:42, 9:48, 9:42, 9:48. Price is just so damn lame. I want to make a fair value gap and a retracement to the downside. I lied. ES. Whew, definitely missed my trade. Nice. Nice, definitely missed my trade. Let's wait for another bearish S&T. One should form right here. Swing points. In Q. We swept it. Wait for a bearish S&T here. ES. Failed to sweep that high. Have a bearish S&T. Let's go down to the... Let's stay on the 3-minute. Swept liquidity again. What the heck? Alright. Failed to sweep this high. Let's look at ES. Failed to sweep that high. Assume we go up. NQ. Sweeps high. ES. Swept that. We can assume it'll go higher. Yeah, bro, it's too late in the day. Alright, day 5 was a no-go. Damn, I can't believe I missed my trade. That's such a shame. It's just because I'm clicking too fast. Oops. Damn, I did it again, bro. Alright, we have London session highs, Asian session highs. Okay, I clicked it. Thank you. Alright, Asian session lows, whatever the heck that is, and London session lows. Alrighty, I can assume we had... Oh, let's go to the 30-minute on the S&P now. Alright, bearish S&T right there. London session highs, London session lows, bang, and Asian session lows, or previous Asian session lows, I guess. I don't know, bro. Whatever's. Where's that? That's previous day lows and highs, huh? It is. Cool. NQ. Let's go to the 5-minute. Alright, ES. Definitely did not sweep those. Holy moly. NQ. Let's go to the 3-minute. What in tarnation? Swept that high or the low. That's a bearish, bullish S&T. Made a fair value gap out of it. Retraced to it. Long right here. Below this low. Target opposing liquidity. ES, no, NQ. Holy crap, bro. I need to get out of this trade. I accidentally double-clicked, bro. I accidentally double-clicked. I would have gotten out. That is crazy, dude. That I'll count as a loss. Whatever. Oh, I'm getting pissed off, bro. There's no way. Like, all right, cool. High, high, low, low. Delete, 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 delete. Don't delete. All right. 30-minute ES. Delete, delete, delete. Did not say that. Did not say that either. 1, 2. Low, low, high. Sure. NQ. 5-minute. Swap the high on NQ. Swap the high on ES. NQ does not. I mean, shit. Let's go to the 3-minute. ES. NQ. ES. NQ. Sweeps this low. Bearish S&T here, I assume we will go up. Let's go to the 1-minute. ES. 3-minute. NQ. We have no gaps to inverse. It's just consolidating, bro. What in... What? I can only wait for a bullish S&T or a bearish. What the heck, bro? Okay. Yes. NQ fails to sweep those highs. Inverse this gap, retrace into it. Definitely retrace into it. Did not expect that big of a move, bro. I need to start setting limit orders, dude. Honestly. I'm counting this trade. I really am. Let's go to the 30-minute. Yeah, right. Let's go to the 1 hour. Let's chase this gap. Swap this high. Let's look at ES. Swap this high. We have a swing point. Swing points, level reversals. A loss to trade anyways. Cool. Not really. Okay, that was day 7. I appreciate you guys for watching. I am not happy with this. I'll lock in for tomorrow though. It's different on FX replay than the real market, so here in a couple videos I will be trading real money with this strategy. Yeah, we lost 3 trades and we went break even on 1 and we won 1. It's pretty bad. I'm gonna be honest. It's pretty garbage. I got greedy too. We all know I should have taken profit at this for value gap. Oh well. Peace.